Hey everyone, it's me here, filming from a different camera. Let me know if you like the quality of this one sitting here on the bed in the butterfly room. I was going to do my Allure beauty box. So I'm filming from my Samsung DSLR camera. Long story short, usually I do it from my phone because it's quicker and easier. This time I went to use my new camera, which is like a camcorder. I'm still working on figuring that out. I went to use it. I charged it the other day. Well, apparently it's already dead, and I just had it off the charger for like a day. I think I forgot to turn it off. Like I said, I'm new, getting used to it. So I'm using my old school DSLR Samsung. This is one of my cameras that I use when I attempt to do astrophotography. Astrophotography is the photographing of the night sky and stars. Just thought I'd let you guys know real quick. So anyway, hopping to it, this is the July beauty box of the Allure. So Allure July beauty box. And I did open it already, but I meant to film this. I'm really pleased with this box. I just want you guys to know like how much I love this box. This box is awesome. And so I actually already opened it, so actually we'll keep that closed. This is the little booklet. Tells you the full size cost of each thing that is in your item. So we will go over that. So on to the unboxing. The first thing I got here, I'm really hoping that you can see. Like, I don't know if it's just the camera hard for you, but it is the Glass Skin Refined Serum, luminous and translucent. It has peach extracts and peptide complex, and it is by a brand called Peach and Lily. This is full size. It's cruelty free. It's toxin free, gluten free, and vegan. No sulfates, synthetic fragrances, no formaldehyde, synthetic dyes, colorants, parabens, mineral oils, silicones, and more. The formula is also vegan and gluten free. We never test on animals. So this is a glass refining serum, and according to my little book right here, this full size is worth $39. So I'm actually excited for that. I love serums. They're always one of my favorite things to get inside my boxes, like all the time. So I'm really happy about that. I'm hoping it smells like peach also. The next thing is a tiny little ice by Sunday Riley. If you can see that. I don't know if it's going to make it any better or worse. Focusing. There you go. Ice by Sunday Riley. Ceramide moisturizing cream. That's kind of all it says. It's made in the USA. They don't say that they're vegan, but this is 0.3 ounces, which is 8 grams. Wait, no, it's not. Actually, no, it is, I think. I'm trying to do quick math in my head. So this is a very small tube, but it's a sample size, which I'm fine with that. If this were to be full size, it would be $65. So I would say this is probably worth, I think this is 8 grams. So the full size is 8.7 ounces. So if this is 8 grams for the 0.3, that would make sense. So I would say this is probably around like, quick math, like about $10 worth for this little tiny thing. So that's cool. Next product is Butter and Lip Cheek Balm. It's by Botanique. I'm sorry, I thought that was an O. So we are looking at cruelty-free, no mineral oils or sulfates, no synthetic fragrance or oils. It's vegan, no parabens, PEGs are phthalates. What does that say? I'm like so blind these days. I'm getting old. You apply to cheeks, lips, or eyelids and diffuse using warmth of fingertips for a more natural radiant color. It's cruelty and vegan free. Doesn't say where it's made. But let's see. I believe this is a full size. This has to be a full size. Like, I don't see. Okay. Doesn't say, but I'm assuming this is a full size. So again, that's the Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. It's worth $16. And again, this Allure beauty box is $15 a month. So, not bad at all. Next, we got the Osea Ocean Cleanser. Mineralize and balance. I've heard a lot about this. This is actually in a glass bottle. Non-toxic, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free. It's made in California. It has algae extract, algae, whatever. It's some kind of foaming agent. Okay, but it's made from vegetables, so it's kind of natural for the most part. It's for normal to dry skin, normal dry and combo. Okay. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize the appearance of pores. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize and awaken the senses. Ooh, okay. So yeah, I've heard a lot about that. That is a sample size. I believe it's 0.6 fluid ounces. So yeah. 5 fluid ounces is the full size, and 5 fluid ounces goes for $48. So I will say that this is probably, worth about 5 and some change. So that's cool. And this camera looks like it's about to die out too, so I'm going to try to be quick. This is just a little card about the peach balm thing. I got these acne cover patches. You get 8 of them. I've heard amazing things about them. They're by the brand Averelli. It's 8 of them, so it looks like it's a sample size. I don't even see it in my little book, so that's weird. It's not in my book, so I guess it's just like a little bonus item. It's not in the book they gave me. And then next is the Charcoal Pore Care by LAPCOS or LAPCOS. This is a Korean skincare, which you guys know I love Korean skincare. Okay, there's the Korean right there. And this is a daily skin mask with charcoal. Not much to say about it, but I can't wait to try that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 things. I think it's totally worth the $15. 2 full-size items. These 2. And technically, the charcoal mask counts as a full-size item because a lot of Korean beauty masks are sold by themselves. So for $15 a month, I think you cannot beat this. Let me see if it does actually say about the charcoal mask, how much you usually get. Okay, it's $3, so it counts as a full size. So I think I really, really love this Allure beauty box. I think it's totally worth the money, and I say definitely give it a try. Can't go wrong for $15. Alright guys, if you like this video, I hope you like and subscribe. And everyone be safe, wear your mask, wash your hands, watch out for the crazy people outside, and be safe. Alright? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.